developing pitch decks for over 10 years and work with every size and stage of capital raising clients. I noticed companies kept coming back to the same question: what content do investors want to see in my pitch deck? In this video, you'll find out what venture capitalists have told me they need to see in your pitch deck, and then I will outline how to flesh out each point. It's kind of my secret sauce, and I've been successfully using this content guide for my clients and seeing great results. You only get one chance to pitch to investors, and I want to make sure you are given every chance to succeed. If you're raising capital, checking out this video will definitely help you. Hi, I'm Antonia from aok.com.au, and I love working with companies just like yours to develop strategic messaging for pitch decks. I have helped many of our clients find clarity around their business message, and as a result, go on to successfully close millions of dollars in equity. Now it's your turn to build for success. Let's dive right in and find out what these essential key points are. What does your firm do? This is a brief overview of your business, what innovation you bring to your market, and its benefits. This is your elevator pitch and should be less than 50 words. This is the one point I find companies have the most trouble with. So many people think this means they should tell investors about their service or product. It's not. It's about letting them know the purpose of your business. For instance, if you asked an electricity supply company what they did, they would probably say something like, "We supply electricity to businesses and homes." But what they really do is keep cities alight and keep people warm at night. That's a purpose. When you answer this point, make sure your purpose is clear to your investors. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, as I'll be posting weekly videos to my playlist, Pitch Deck Wow Investors. It'll be rich with tips and tricks which you can go on to use to create a powerful and compelling pitch deck. Let's dive right into the next key point. What problem or need are you satisfying? By that I mean, what is the gap in the current market? And how will your solution fill that gap? And of course, don't forget to explain how your solution is going to continue to evolve for market longevity. Who is your customer? Give an outline of your market, how you'll be targeting them, and how you're going to be meeting their needs. What is your competitive advantage? This is where you outline how your solution is an innovative and sustainable game changer. Don't forget to make it clear why your market will be buying from you and not your competitors. Who are your competitors? Investors will probably have researched your market before you stand in front of them and will be waiting for you to demonstrate that you know your market. So make sure you know your competitors and their position in that market and know how they will impact your business. How big is the market? Here, you'll let investors know the size of your target market, the various channels, and the regions you'll be covering. What is your strategy for future growth? On this slide, you could cover anything from entering additional channel markets to technology development or global reach, but you have to demonstrate your immediate next steps and a clear vision for the future of your business. As we go over the key points, keep an eye out for the one you have the most difficulty nailing down, and let me know in the comments below. Sometimes it simply takes someone outside the company to see things clearly. Between the two of us, I'm sure we'll be able to come up with a compelling solution. Let's keep going. We have 5 very important points left to cover. What is your growth timeline? An infographic that demonstrates your growth timeline can be a nice idea here. Whatever your solution, you need to demonstrate your roadmap for future, short, medium, and long-term expansion. Always be realistic with your projections, as an experienced investor may be put off by your overestimation of what is possible. What is your exit strategy? This usually applies to more mature companies that want to identify strategic buyers that may want to acquire their business or even possibly an IPO exit. Again, this isn't a slide for smaller enterprises and can be overlooked if not appropriate. Who are your team leaders? Keep this short and sweet and only include the top level team leaders. Slide after slide of all the people in the business will rarely be of interest to an investor. What is needed here is a good quality image, a short outline of their leadership skills and qualifications. What are your financials? Do not present financials that haven't been properly researched. If necessary, get your accountant to help you and make sure you understand your own projections just in case an investor asks you to go into greater detail. Not knowing your financials can impact investor confidence and blow the deal. What is the investment opportunity? It's now time to state what investment participation you are seeking and the likely outcome for the investor. I can't stress enough, be realistic with your projections. What is your call to action? This is where you ask for the investment. It's time to have nerves of steel and clearly state what you're asking for. Let them know why your business is an attractive opportunity and ask for them to invest in your business. They already know this is why you're standing in front of them, so don't be shy about closing the deal. Congratulations, you now have a roadmap for what venture capitalists want to see in your pitch deck. I just want to pop in a couple of bonus tips that I've learned along the way. Please keep your message to under 50 words per slide. A pitch deck is supposed to be a snappy and concise overview of your company. More than that, and people will be reading the screen. You don't want that. You want them to be making eye contact with you so that you can build a connection with them. Bear in mind that no pitch deck is the same as the next. That's why I always suggest you review the results of each of your presentations and figure out what worked and what didn't. Then circle back to your pitch and update it. In my next video, I'll walk you through a couple of pitch decks which I created for my clients that went on to successfully raise millions of dollars in venture capital. If you're looking to sharpen up your pitch deck, this will be a must-watch. Don't forget to hit the bell button at the top of the page to be notified when this video is posted. If you'd like a PDF of the points I covered today, I created a free downloadable guide. It will take you through all the points we just covered and offer suggestions on how to flesh them out. You can find the link for the PDF below. If you're feeling overwhelmed and need some help developing the best pitch deck possible, upload your current content through our website and get one of our experts to help you. There's a link to this page below. Simply pick one of the 4 online presentation solutions that suits your needs and your budget. And of course, reach out to me if I can help in any way. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the like button below and leaving a comment letting me know your business niche. I'd be very interested to know what it is. And don't forget to share this video with people that are important to you. Whatever you do, don't stop pitching. You are just one pitch away from success.